How to back up WhatsApp chats on your iPhone. If you want to keep your WhatsApp chats safe and restore them later, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on your profile photo in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Chats. Next, tap Chat Backup. Here, tap Backup Now to create a backup of your WhatsApp chats to iCloud. If you want your chats to back up automatically, tap Auto Backup and choose daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference. You can also turn Include Videos on or off if you want videos to be included in your backup. Once the backup is complete, your chats will be securely stored in iCloud and can be restored whenever you sign into WhatsApp on another iPhone using the same Apple account. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.